This is what I was working on yesterday, and today is Sunday. So I'm working on a tiered skirt. Okay guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I am going to show you my weekend routine. So today I am going to be cleaning the kitchen countertops and the cabinet doors. I wash the cabinet doors once a month, and today is the day that I am going to clean it because it's the beginning of the month. So yeah, I can't believe it's already November, and I'm just super excited just because December is like my ultimate favorite month, and that is of course Christmas, so I get to decorate for Christmas. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started with the cleaning. I'm going to clean the cabinet doors first because it's above, or it's on top, so I kind of clean from top to bottom. So I'm going to clean the cabinets and then microwave and then down here. And just kind of quickly wipe this down just because there are so many crumbs on the counter. So hard to climb up with this skirt on. So this side of the kitchen is finished. Hello. So as you can see, this side is finished. The microwave is finished. This one is going to be the last. I saved the stove for last just because it's very tedious. So the cabinets are nice and clean and dry. And now let's work on the side of the kitchen. And I'm also going to clean that and maybe the front of the fridge. Okay guys, after a few hours of cleaning the kitchen, I am satisfied and I know that the kitchen is actually thoroughly cleaned. So anyway, thanks so much for watching and I hope you enjoy this video. If you would like to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you next time. Bye!